I welcome you to emmaglobaltravels. Do you really want to travel? Watch this video first before I tell you what to do. Take your time, please, and watch it again. Watch the environment again. And the workplace. Just watch it. Perfect. You see, I want to ask you a question. You said you want to travel. Okay. Have you secured your job? Do you have an accommodation? A place you lay your head when you go? These are serious questions. These are vital questions you need to ask yourself. Gone were the days when one will say, "Oh, I've traveled, I'm in Germany, I'm in Canada, I'm this, I'm in that, I'm in Europe." Now, it's not about where you are, it's about what you are doing there. Many people travel abroad without jobs. They'll get there and they'll get, how will I even put it? They'll be frustrated. They'll get there and where to even lay their head, they don't have. That's when they'll be blaming people. They'll be blaming their friends for not receiving them. But hey, Europe is not like Africa. You can't just go there and expect a friend you know in Africa to receive you just like that. No. That is why it's good you first have to secure your job here in Africa, in Ghana. If you are in Ghana or you are in Nigeria, anywhere you are, make sure you secure your job first. Then you make sure you have an accommodation before you go. With that, I am telling you, success is ahead of you. That's what we do. When you come to emmaglobaltravels, we make sure we get you a job. Yes, we get you a job. You get the work permit even when you are here in Africa. We get you the offer letter, the work permit, and even the accommodation letter for you to be sure that yes, you've secured the job. The moment you get the work permit, it automatically means that the employer outside has accepted you, has given you a job to come and do. So you are not going alone. You are not going to be stranded over there. And even the accommodation comes from the employer himself. You see? These are one of the places. Have you seen the place? This is Albania. Let me play it a minute. Watch it very well. This is Albania. One of the supermarkets that will be taking people to. Have you seen it? Very neat place, very nice place. Imagine working here. When you close, you go to where you are being given to sleep. You go there, you lay your head. The next day, you continue your job. Perfect. Even if it's a 1-year contract or 2 years contract, when you're done with that year, you can renew. It's renewable. So no need to go out there to get stranded. Don't strand yourself outside. Don't strand yourself in Europe. Make sure you do the right thing before you move. That's why emmaglobaltravels is here for you. So please, I don't want this video to be long. So if you really want to travel to any part of the world, just get in touch with emmaglobaltravels. and we will link you up. Thank you very much. Watch the video and let's move. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, you follow this channel. If you are watching on Facebook, if you are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and you press the notification bell. If you want to contact me, I'll put my contact detail there. How to get me. Ciao.